Panels, windows and doors are prefabricated and ready for installation. Install floor rail. Connect all wall panels bottom to the floor rail. Connect the male channel and female channel of the wall panels one by one. The floor must be level and wall panels are 90-degree upright. We use an external arc to connect two sides partition walls. Both sides panels connected to the external arc. Window panels are made according to client's installation requirement. This sample modular office has 4 windows and 1 door. For ceiling panels, we use the aluminium cover similar to floor rails to cover the top side of partition walls. Make sure the ceiling level is flat and no big gap between contact point. Last step is door installation. Insert door and lock cylinder. Between the door frame and panels, we use a middle rail for jointing two parts and use silicone in the middle rails for better adhesion. Disassemble can be completed under 30 minutes. Modular office can move for any places, flexible and convenient. We sell to all countries around the world. Welcome to send your inquiry with your ideal modular office.